Ready to make your Bluehost domain shine on Lovable? Let's get your website connected with zero hassle. First, you'll need to log into your Bluehost account. Head over to their website and enter your credentials to access your domain management dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the domain section. From there, find the specific domain you want to connect to Lovable and select it. Now, it's time to update your DNS settings. Look for an option to manage DNS records or Nameservers. This is where we'll tell the internet your website is now hosted on Lovable. Switching over to your Lovable account, you'll find a section for connecting a domain. You'll need to input specific nameserver information provided by Lovable. These are usually 2 or 3 addresses, ICANN on Lovable platform. Carefully copy each nameserver address from Lovable and paste it into the corresponding fields in your Bluehost DNS settings. Double check for any typos to ensure a smooth connection. After saving your changes in Bluehost, it can take a little time for these updates to spread across the internet. This process is called DNS Propagation, and it usually takes a few hours, but can sometimes take up to 48 hours. Once propagation is complete, your domain will now point to your Lovable website, establishing your professional online presence with effortless integration. Congratulations, your website is officially live and connected.